One cyclone is coming in the form of Dr. Shivani. Please be ready. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. First of all, very for wonderful introduction. चौहान सर ने जो introduction किया, संजय सर ने किया, and आपको बोल दिया cyclone आ रहा है, तो my expectations are high. So fasten your seat belt. Welcome everyone and special welcome to all newcomers who have come for the first time to attend Rewire You program, because it is the answer to your prayers. You have been praying for something to bring a change in your life, and you have been praying, and that's what you got a solution that you have spared. You got an invitation to attend this Rewire program. You have spared your time to attend this Rewire program, and you have got wisdom to stay and to take most of the Rewire program. I'm first of all grateful for my parents, grateful to my God that I am existing. But besides that, I'm very grateful to Rewire Your Brain program, especially to Infinity Karthik sir and all the speakers of Rewire Brain program. Everybody has played a different role in my life when I attended Rewire Brain program for the last batch, including Chauhan sir, Captain Sanjay sir, Captain Vijay Kumar sir, and Yatira sir, and all my team. So all the credit, what I'm going to talk today and present in front of you goes to all of them. And special grateful feeling to Karthik sir, because I was very reluctant in joining the Rewire Your program, because we know na mane badhu avde che MBA. So I had attended various programs and I was not ready because of my time commitments. But just to respect Karthik sir's invitation, I attended the program, and let me tell you, it has changed so much. I had already made a vision board. It was on a paper, PowerPoint presentation and all that. But as a part of Rewire program, it was mandatory that you have to do a vision board program. And just to be a good team player, I just made it. I was not prepared on the day first, but just having that right atmosphere and rewiring of the brain during the program and all my inspiration from the team, I just made the vision board, because Chauhan sir has taken not one, 3 classes for vision board. So I request everyone to just stay till end and see. So here is my vision board. I'm going to share it now, how it has made, because I made vision board. This vision board has specifically made me get more clarity and go to the very, very, very micro niche level, what exactly I want and what I don't want. That is more important, what you don't want. Because sometimes we want many things just to impress others, just to impress family members, but I know what I want. So this is just a picture. If the co-host can just bring me on a slide, the split method, because I just would like to show my vision board. So what is my mission? So my mission is Dr. Meghna M.K. Shivani is a woman of substance with strong character and integrity, having the peak health, mental serenity, sparkling eyes, glowing face, alert state of mind, and spring on steps, and having the super family and professional life. At the same time, I'm creating everlasting wealth and empowering and contributing to the society to unleash the hidden potential of everyone and lead them with example and guide them to have a life full of zest, joy, bliss, and courage till last breath of life. So what is my mission? So this is my mission. So what is my vision? Meghna will be a compassionate global transformer, transforming lives of 1 billion people, creating an everlasting wealth of $1 trillion net worth. But when she dies, she will be giving 50% of the charity and attaining the Krishna consciousness at the age of 101 under belief, surrender, and trust of the universe. And the main mission of life is to empower, guide, inspire, and coach individuals to unleash their potential, but while contributing 10,000 single ladies for their food, clothes, and shelter. What are my core values? Because I follow core values, then I will be happy and attaining everything. So what are my core values? The first core value which I have is the commitment, creativity, passion, making a difference, and honesty, abundance, and gratitude. So what I believe is earlier, so this is my journey. if I become a person with
Shivani ji, you are on mute. Shivani ji, you are on mute. You are on mute. Shivani ji, you are on mute. Shivani ji, you are on mute.
You are on mute, Shivani ji.
Oh, sorry. I don't know how come it has happened in excitement. It's okay. From where did you hear me?
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
I talked about my vision. I talked about my mission. I talked my core values. And I'm just... Okay. Last 2 minutes. Okay. Okay. I just explained my mission. You know my mission, vision, and core values. You have heard that?
Yes.
Yes, after core values.
Huh?
After core values.
Yeah, okay, great. So I just explained that we have got lot of things we want, but if you are clear with top 10 goals and work towards it with the contribution, everything will come true. So these are my top 10 goals, that is having personal freedom, having a time and money freedom, and to do the things what you want and what do you love, creating 12 multiple sources of income, in that having that particular bank balance of 5 crore, having the portfolio of 5 crores, having my second house of 5 BHK, going for a world tour, having my special car, but more than a car, it's a caravan to move around the countries, and then have online courses and doing my contribution in various things, charity, and then moksha. So I believe artha, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. That's what I've been trained for. So everybody wants money. It's okay. So if you focus on the contribution, the money will come by default. So I'm going to first tell how the money will come. So basically, I'm a third generation dentist by default. So I have got my dental business. I'm retired from that, and it is running in autopilot mode. The second is I have nutrigenomics lab, which is running in auto mode, because it is very important to know that how you are going to create income. Third is royalty income, then by books and social media, online courses, events, virtual events, and investments. If it is taken care of, what I am to contribute, because if you contribute, you are born on this earth with special purpose. So I know that I have gone through all the ups and downs of life. Ultimately, I know why I am born for. So my mission is to give food, clothes, and shelter to 10,000 single ladies, because I'm a person, I'm a very proud mother of a 21-year-old son. I have brought him up from the age of 7 months. And it is only possible because of the blessings from the God and support from my parents. But there are so many ladies who have got everything, but they don't have any mental and moral support. They just get vanished and they don't know what is their purpose. So I want to empower such ladies by giving food, clothes, shelter to them. That's my main purpose. So what's my charity goal? So I have got a charity goal because I am blessed with all my grandfathers and parents who have done already social work. So just to continue the legacy, one is Dr. S.K. Kulkarni Educational Trust, one is Orphanage Trust, then there is a rehabilitation for the critical ill patients, Teenager Counselor Trust, then there is a Down Syndrome Trust and a Single Parents Association. So I'm going to work on these projects with the help of people. I have come here because I want to have a great lifestyle. I want to contribute. I want to build a character which will carry legacy to my generations to come. And at the same time, I want to give a charity. So I want to do some travel experiences. So I have got some travel experiences, traveling to the world to specific countries, going to the cruise tours, having spa and so much on. But I have got some business goals where I'm going to contribute through my social media, from events and writing books. I'm already an author of book that is Discover 9 Secrets of Abundance. Why I could do it? Because I was following only the few secrets where I got in trap of the death, going from success to zero to success 2 times, because my brain was not rewired for the success. When I implemented the techniques, that's why I could see that I can do that. And there are some other experiences I want to do, that is skiing, snorkeling, skydiving, business jump, bungee jumping, golf, piano, and classical dance. And these are some my money ones you can see in my board, where I have written how many dollars of income, what are the different types of income, how many products I have to sell. Like if I sell $200 product for 5,000, I will make my millionaire. So I'm very specific what I'm going to do. And there are some family goals. Whatever I feel the provider we have to give, that is only as my family duty. I'm not very attached to having so many jewelries and all that, but as an investment, definitely I will have gold and all that. So there are some specific goals to gift to my son, to my incoming daughter-in-law, and to my brother, and to my sister-in-law. I always believe in giving. So there are some specific things which I will not go for. And there are some possession goals, family and possession. So basically I could divide my vision board in 8 categories. The first one is the health and spiritual, then into the money, income and wealth, then family and relationship and possessions, then into the social and spirituality goal, and my specific travel experience. But I have got some crazy dreams, because that my inner child has come out and I want to do some crazy dreams. One of the crazy dream is I want to dance on a sacred music continuously for 12 hours for 3 days. And I'm dancing on the auditorium with that sacred chants, and people are there and they are experiencing the healing and the manifesting experience. Why I could do it? Because at the age of 6, I saw such incidents. And that time at the age of 6, I manifested the same thing, that I am going to be there on a stage. I'm going to dance like this, and I'm going to see people getting healed and manifesting their prayers. So I'm so happy that I have done this vision board, and I have really written down this crazy dream. You can see I'm dancing here. And one of the crazy dream is manufacturing of the aircraft with the help of my son, because he's going to become an aeronautical engineer and so many things. But ultimately, I got a very much clarity in the vision board that, I forgot to tell health goals. So I'm rising at 3:30 a.m. I have got my 1 year yoga, 1 year of meditation. I'm having a balanced diet. I'm vegan, and I'm not having some toxic food and organic. And I'm going to create a divine pyramid center. That is a pyramid at home and pyramid center nearby, because I believe in that. I'm a 10K runner. I'm going to run 21K. I'm also expert in mandala and so many things. So this journey is on. It is not, I am not arrived. Still my journey is on, but I'm very clear what I have to do, what I have to focus, and what don't have to focus. Ultimately, I have experienced that if you focus on the contribution, money is by default. But if you focus on the money, then there is a some obstruction. So you focus on your purpose, vision, and a contribution, money is going to come by default. With that, I'm again grateful to all the Rewire program, all the representatives, all the speakers, Karthik sir and all the speakers, and all the behind the scene who are working for the Rewire program, for keeping the team intact and inspiring for 21 days. It is very hard to come for 21 days. So all the newcomers who are here, that just even if you know anything in your life, you must have attended any training program, but your journey as a student must go on. Just come into the Rewire program. I don't know what miracles are waiting for you. And with that, over to the host. And thank you for giving this opportunity. I'm presenting this vision for the second time. And I am so happy that I'm announcing to the universe, and all the angels, all the gods are sitting in front of me, witnessing my dream coming true. So for you, all the special welcome, because it's my sacred vision board journey. So this is a special for you. Thank you.